Hey guys, it's Stupid Chicken here, and today I'm going to be playing Welcome to Bloxburg. I'm just going to be like showing you guys my house, fixing up some stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for the 5 subscribers. I know it's sort of lame, only have 5. I'm a brand new YouTuber. Oh gosh, that was loud. Okay. Yesterday I was helping my friend pick out some outfits because she just got Robux. Say hi, friend.
Hello.
Don't know if you can hear her or not, but there she is. I always think of the loading symbol as a worm, W-O-R-M. Sorry, I can't say it. Oof. Close. So this is the kitchen. I don't remember that, but it looks really cool. I like that, actually. I really like that glitch. Oof. Yeah, whatever. Got the bathroom. The mirror? What happened to the mirror? Got 2 balconies. Open! Now I'm gonna be doing a stalker prank. Hi, Emily.
Hello, guys.
Go subscribe to her. She's much bigger than me. Ooh, I love this house.
Emily 2365 AJ.
I'm gonna be like, I know. She's playing with slime right now. Ooh. I'm gonna be doing a prank called the stalker prank, and we're gonna be ditching some ding dong ditching. I should really take my car. Can you stop playing with that? It bugs me. Ah, stop! No, stop! Stop! This isn't a slime channel. Oof! It just got in my hair. Sorry if the lighting's bad. I hate it when it's nighttime. My hair. Ooh, there's people here. I'll just if I can. Okay.
Should I play?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, let's slide.
Ooh. Oh, I thought that tree was a person. Oh! Okay, let me knock. Oh, I see him. Oof!
Don't you guys hate it when nobody knows how to play with slime? It's just
Let's go up here. Just hide right here.
the moon.
The moon. The moon.
Do you know the way?
No!
Hey guys, do you know the way? Do you know the way? Comment it. Everybody comment the way.
No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! They're coming. Casual.
Happy home roblox,
Where are they? And I'm gonna be.
There's somebody here named Blobfish.
Where? You're not on my server. Ah! No! 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 No!
Just so you guys know, Stupid Chicken here loves
Sorry. Yeah, they're adorable. I thought I saw a rat. Guess it was just you though.
Oh.
I'm the one who don't need gonna get respect up on the street.
I cannot move now. What is my computer doing?
R.I.P. Oh, do you want to start?
I don't like that picture. I'm gonna change picture.
Oh, okay. They go to a new house. This house is boring.
Yeah, I learned a new skill. It's called intelligence.
Let me in the car. I
I need to fix my house. It's ugly. Now I can't stop. Oh my gosh, I do not want to buy anything on Amazon.
What is happening, bruh?
Yeah, bro, what's happening? That's her sister.
Brooke, you here? Nope, probably outside.
That's Brooke.
Blue. Oh. Oh.
I can't get out of this house.
Bootyful.
Oh my gosh, stop it.
Wow.
I come from where is it? Oh, there we go. Get away from my house, dude.
This is gonna be fun. I don't even know if they're at their house. Probably not. Fudge. Ooh, that person might be at his house. Hello? Hello? Let me ring dong. Ring dong. Brooke, copyright.
What?
You know, Brooke, she's playing music. I swear someone's following me. Someone is following me. I just don't know where. Oof.
Okay, I need a roof.
Aha. Let's go back to my house and like do some stuff. This is very. Can I drive facing backwards? OMG, I can. I'm backwards. This is. Oh, I ran into a tree. Ah! Oh, wow. That was. I'm a bad driver, as you guys can tell. Because for a kid or sis. Does anybody else, like, not understand what some people say in this game? Like, oh no. Mike's Motors. Now time to buy a car. No one cares because some people are poor. I really want that house.
I'm really poor.
In the game,
I
yeah.
want to get more Robux.
Seriously, Brooke? No, I'm in my PG. I don't need to go to work. No.
Brooke, shut up. I don't need more Robux.
What happened to my house? I mean, I like that. I actually sort of like that. Just me? Okay.
I want to go in the house.
You can't go in the house? Oh.
Decorate. Inventory. Decorate.
That's good. Oh, what are these? Decorative drawers. Yes, he added more stuff for the kitchen.
Jen? Huh?
I need this in my loft.
I need like 39 more Robux to get the pass for having more than one story.
Yeah, I have that. Dishes? Wow. They added a lot for the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm gonna redo my kitchen.
Oh my gosh, how do I get out of this? Oh.
Redoing kitchen. Bruh. Kitchen. I ain't your mama. Ooh, flex freezer. Okay, that's nice. Where was that one thing? It's a large metal hood. For the stove? Basic hood?
I want a job.
Don't we all, bruh?
Go to work.
Ooh, no, that's better. I don't like this hood. I want a different hood. I like this. Even though it sort of looks weird. What was that? Counters. What? What?
Why is this slime so hard?
I don't know. Okay, that looks good. Brooke, do you like... Keep calling Emily Brooke. Emily, do you like my kitchen? You didn't even look. Look! Never mind. Kitchen. I'm gonna have a little... I'm gonna be redoing the inside of my house. Wait.
Sorry, ma'am, I just messed up your order. Did you grab a shower?
Yeah.
What? I failed again?
Well, clean it up.
Gary said we could.
Okay. Hey guys, we are back. Sorry about that. I did something I wasn't supposed to do.
What?
Okay, I think I'm gonna be ending it here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.